Powerful, beautiful, and forged on the fiery battlefield of nature as molten rock bursts from the deep and collides with the tempering chill of the surface. You know it as Obsidian. The Aztecs called it Itzli, a god of stone, and believed it to be a deity of power and revelry. Because of its explosive origin, obsidian can be found all over the world. The largest deposits are found in areas with an abundance of volcanic activity like Mount Hekla in Iceland, the Aeolian Islands off the coast of Italy, and Obsidian Cliff in Yellowstone National Park. Obsidian is mineral-like, but is not a true mineral. As a natural volcanic glass, it has no crystalline structure of its own. Though often rich in silica, different obsidians are composed of a variety of crystalline materials. Their abundant, closely spaced microscopic crystal growths, called crystallites, are so numerous that obsidian is opaque, except on thin edges. In addition to well-known black obsidian, there are several other varieties. Mahogany obsidian contains iron inclusions that give it a rich brown to red color with black stripes and swirls. Golden sheen obsidian glitters with golden pockets of mica and sparkles in the light. Snowflake obsidian gets its name and pattern from quartz inclusions formed as it hardens. Obsidian's conchoidal fracture pattern makes it easy to split and knap into pieces with curved, sharp edges. This made it easy for early humans to create sharp weapons, tools, personal adornments, and the first mirrors. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Aztecs, and Native Americans all used obsidian in ceremonial, combative, and practical settings, each with their own unique cultural applications. Making arrowheads, spear points, knife blades, and scrapers from obsidian might have been the world's first type of manufacturing industry. Some archaeological sites contain tons of obsidian flakes and reveal the presence of ancient factories. Although using a rock as a cutting tool might sound primitive, obsidian continues to play an important role. Obsidian can achieve a cutting edge thinner and sharper than the best surgical steel. Today, thin obsidian blades are placed in surgical scalpels and used for modern surgeries requiring high levels of precision. Obsidian is still hand-knapped and polished into gorgeous jewelry components. Believers in the metaphysical consider obsidian to be a strongly protective stone that forms a shield against negativity. Some think wearing obsidian jewelry can strengthen the wearer's conviction and stave off danger. It is also said to stimulate personal growth and encourage the exploration of the unknown. Obsidian may also dissolve emotional blockages and past traumas to promote qualities of compassion and strength. Given its sharpness, the stone is said by some to pierce the darkness, revealing truth itself. Give your next jewelry design ancient allure. Design a fierce, confidence-boosting look your customers will love to flaunt with our wide variety of obsidian components. Click the link in the description and start shopping. You never know what creative gems you'll unearth at firemountaingems.com.